Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and a very interesting and a very requested one by a lot of you guys out there, and that is that with the new release of the DJI Air 2S, there were a lot of people that were expecting this new drone to be actually compatible with the DJI FPV B2 goggles and also with the motion controller, and as well as even some of you guys were wondering if the DJI FPV controller was going to be compatible with the new DJI Air 2S. And guys, today we have the answer for that question. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we'll always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news no matter what. And also, we have gotten to our first goal of 5,000 subscribers, so a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I truly appreciate you. And with that goal being met, we propose a second one, and that is the 10,000 subscriber goal. And I know that together, guys, we can do it. So if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe and join the Drone Emotion family, so you can help us get to that 10,000 subscriber goal, which we're really not that far away from, guys. So with that being said, why don't we go ahead and dive into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting to say the least. Guys, you have all seen it, the DJI Air 2S has been released, but unfortunately, at least on the DJI official website, they say nothing about compatibility with the DJI B2 goggles, the motion controller, and the FPV controller, which we have right here on the screen, guys. So at this point in time, no one really knows what's going to be happening with this. DJI has really not promoted anything or even said anything on their official website regarding compatibility with these new products, but these products are compatible with OcuSync 3.0, which is the new technology that the DJI Air 2S implements. Now, at this point in time, April of 2021, when the brand new DJI Air 2S was released, all of those products that we just mentioned, the motion controller, the B2 goggles, and the FPV controller, are not compatible with the DJI Air 2S. Now, pay attention here, guys, because DJI has actually come out and said that they are working on making the B2 goggles and the motion controller compatible with the DJI Air 2S. So I think those are great news, guys, because most likely the DJI Air 2S at some point in time will be compatible with the motion controller and with the B2 goggles. So I think that's going to be something that's going to be making a lot of people happy. Now, there were some people out there asking me about the FPV controller compatibility with the Air 2S. That's definitely not happening, guys. The only thing that DJI is working on making compatible is the motion controller and the B2 goggles. Now, when will this update happen? We still don't know, but this is what I will advise you. If you're looking to buy the new DJI Air 2S, but you're waiting for DJI to make the B2 goggles and the motion controller available, I will personally wait to see if they actually go ahead and make that update. Because what if you actually go ahead and buy the DJI Air 2S thinking that they're going to be making the B2 goggles and the motion controller, and at the end DJI decides that they're not able to make it compatible? Well, you're gonna be stuck with a drone that you really don't even like because it's not compatible with what you want. So if the B2 goggles and the motion controller are a big deal for you when it comes to compatibility, and you want that to be compatible in order to buy the DJI Air 2S, I think just a better bet to just wait and see when DJI makes it compatible. But if you really don't care about the B2 goggles, and I mean you have them but it's really not your main priority, and if DJI later goes out and make the update available, and then your B2 goggles and your motion controller is compatible with the drone, you're just gonna be happy, but you're not going to be disappointed, because at the end you're not wanting to get those B2 goggles compatible with your drone. So I think that's what I will do, guys. Now, when will this update come? We still don't know when DJI will be coming out with this update, but hopefully it should be out relatively soon. Probably I would say a couple months before we actually see this. So hopefully, cross our fingers, we get it pretty soon, because I know a lot of people are eager to be able to fly the new DJI Air 2s with those B2 goggles to give you that sensation, guys. So that's going to be today's video. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.